Assalamualaikum. How are you? I hope you are doing okay today. And let's not waste our time. Our today's lesson will be about comparative and superlative of long adjectives. Do you remember what is adjectives? Long adjectives words means that the words are slightly longer and they have more syllables, such as difficult, horrible, expensive, beautiful, enormous. See, it's long. Enormous, horrible, beautiful, difficult. Comparatives is when you use an adjective to compare one thing to another thing. As an example, last year you have learned about the words such as big, bigger, small, smaller, hot, hotter, which means you only compare two things. It cannot be more than that. Superlative is when you compare three things and more. As an example, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. It's like what you have learned last year. Okay, for long adjectives, when we want to use comparative and superlative, we cannot add er or est, which means for longer adjective, we have to use more and most. Example, she is beautiful, she is more beautiful, she is the most beautiful. This cake is horrible, this cake is more horrible, this cake is the most horrible. You have to use more and the most. You can refer your people's book, page 42. Difficult, beautiful, horrible, and enormous. Okay, look at the dialogue bubble. He is frightened, he is more frightened, he is the most frightened. We compare more than two, which is we have to use superlative, more and the most. Look at these examples when you want to construct sentences comparing two things. The megalodon is more enormous than the elephant. The book is more expensive than the watch. Lego is more interesting than puzzle. And the examples of superlatives of long adjectives are: this is the most expensive shirt in the shop. This is the most exciting game I have. Nasi lemak is the most delicious meal. Today you have learned about comparative and superlative of long adjectives. Now, take out your workbook and turn to page 24. There are two exercises. The first one, you have to write sentences for comparative. And the second one is make sentences from the words, which is the superlative form. So that is our lesson today. Complete the exercises and you are done for English today. Assalamualaikum.